Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the Zafiro Node dark blue theme of the GNOME desktop. So we have to download this theme, available in the www.gnome-look.org website. You have to select this theme. Once the theme is selected, you have to download it. So the download button is here. You have to check the theme, how it looks. Then you have to read about the product information, change logs, ratings, reviews, affiliates, fans, what fans have commented, and then you have to download the zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded, what you have to do is you have to go to the downloads folder. Now, in the last icon theme that we have tested, that is the Zafiro, which was the theme I will just show you. Zafiro Node dark gray theme. This is how the file manager icons will look in the Zafiro Node dark gray. So this was the dark gray theme of the Zafiro Node icon set. This is how the file manager icons will look. Now in the downloads folder, the zip file will be there. You have to unzip it. For example, I have done one unzipping here for the elementary KD zip file, and the extracted elementary KD icons are here in this folder. Then you have to copy this and paste it to the dot icon. Where is the dot icons folder? So this dot icons folder is not there in the default installation. So first, when you are done with the default installation, you have to go over to here and you have to click here, click the show hidden files settings. So this will unhide the dot files. So these are the system files, configuration files, and you have to create one folder with the name dot icons, and all the icon themes folders have to be copy pasted here. Once this is done, what you have to do is, I'll just show you. You have to go over to the GNOME Tricks. You have to select the icon theme that you want to see. For example, I want to check out the Zafiro Node black blue theme here. It doesn't support the cursor. Some themes will support the cursor also. For example, the US full distro icon supported the cursor styles also, but here it is not supporting, and the legacy applications are also not supported. So what we have to do is we have to change over to the Advaita dark. So system will be cohesive. Once this is done, you have to close this. You have to close this also. And here right now we are in the dark mode only, but you might have to change the mode also, because if you are in light mode, this icon set will not look good, and you have to change over to the dark mode. That is done. Now you can check this out. This is how the system icons, application icons will look. I will just show you. It is Zafiro Node black blue icon theme, and this is how the wallpapers will look. Sorry, not wallpapers, the file icons, file manager icons will look. This is how everything will look. So you might like this. So I give you options with the different icon themes that I have liked. I'm sharing with you time to time. Whenever I come across some great icon themes, I will share with you. System themes also I will share with you. So this looks very nice, and this gives a modern look, a modern attractive look, and you can pair attractive wallpaper from the variety wallpaper manager here. This is the variety wallpaper manager. You have to club up everything: the system style, the system theme, the icon themes, your cursor themes, and the legacy application themes. Everything you have to manage to make them look cohesive, and you will end up with a great looking wallpaper, great looking desktop, which you will like to work for long hours. If the desktop looks unattractive, you will not like to work for long hours, and it will be a distraction for the eyes. So if you want to make your work more productive, you have to make your desktop look very nice. So every now and then you will like to open up your system and work because the desktop looks very attractive. So that's the main aim of making your desktop look attractive. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.